In good health. Every child, it seems, loves Halloween. If your child wears braces, though, it can be a tough night to handle.
Isn't it? Yeah. Experts say that some of the most popular treats can cause a lot of damage. Our Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a closer look now at the worst offenders. We went through this at our house.
Well, you know, everybody with braces does, Ruth and Stephen. You know, eating candy is part of the deal. Dentists and orthodontists know that during Halloween, but they're hoping that parents can help kids with braces make better choices to avoid some of the pain and problems that they see every year after year when the trick-or-treating ends.
I've eaten popcorn and the bracket came off, and candy and the bracket came off.
12-year-old Lauren Moore knows she's supposed to avoid certain foods because of her braces, but her mom says sometimes she just can't resist.
I almost think she had a Tic Tac the day after she got her braces on and one popped off.
And Lauren's not alone.
Next week will be a busy time for us. We see a lot more extra visits, broken wires, pokey wires, bent brackets, things like that, and it's all because of Halloween.
Birmingham orthodontist Dr. John Dumas says certain kinds of candy are especially destructive.
Avoid things with nuts, avoid things with caramel, avoid the taffy, sugary, starburst kind of foods that you really have to bite and chew into.
Some of the worst offenders: Gobstoppers, Milk Duds, Snickers, caramels, and Lauren's favorite, Starburst. Now, broken wires aren't just inconvenient, they can add weeks to the treatment time.
Nowadays, the average treatment time is anywhere from 9 to 12 months, and if you've got one visit in there with a broken bracket, adding an extra 6 weeks to a 9-month treatment plan can be significant.
And to me, that's really the most convincing argument for your kids. Avoid some of these candies because no one wants to wear braces any longer than they absolutely have to.
Yeah, we have a problem with a certain name brand taffy, which will go nameless. What are the safer candies, though?
You know, I would be, like the Halloween bummer if I said that, none of them were safe. So there are some. Anything that melts in your mouth without any chewing is okay. Hershey bars, Reese's peanut butter cups, M&Ms, those sorts of things. Basically, though, if it's gooey, chewy, taffy, as you mentioned, if it's crunchy, wait until after those braces come off.
This actually works out for me. I like banana, that taffy that would be unnamed, and 2 kids with braces. So it's for their own good. I have to take that.
Yes, exactly. You've got to take the hit for the team.
Take it into protective custody.
Good for you.
Thanks, Dr. McGeorge.